welcome back to my Taglish channel. Side of the universe. So today guys, I'm gonna do unboxing. So I would unbox my latest new toy brought to you by my Fafang channel, Jax and I will do unboxing guys of my latest new toy, which is the DJI OM 4. So guys, we will find out what inside the box of DJI OM 4. So what are we waiting for? Happy watching. Okay guys, so this is the DJI OM 4 guys. So let's get started. DJI OM 4 is a foldable stabilizer designed to complement your smartphone, allowing you to start recording right away. Magnetic, ultra compact and bursting with easy to use features, OM4 is the ultimate solution for sharing your activity of daily living. First, we need to open the box guys. Smartphone is not included in the box. Okay guys, so when you open the box, there's a 4 quick steps to start the DJI OM4. So once you open the box guys, the first thing you will see here, create magnetic moments. So you will see here the 2 things in front. Okay guys, so you can see here the storage pouch for the DJI OM4. The next one guys, you can see the magnetic ring holder and the alignment guide for your phone also. Okay guys, so here you can see the grip tripod for the DJI OM4 and the power cable guys, which is type C. And the next one guys is the magnetic phone clamp guys. So this is very important also guys. So the next one guys is the DJI OM4. Sorry guys, I don't know how to open it. It's my first time. So Jax needs to help me now. Okay guys, so now we just detach the gimbal guys. So this is the joystick from left to right, up and down. This is the turn on button guys. As you can see. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the magnetic phone clamp for your phone guys. This is very important for the gimbal guys. So it's moving guys. Okay guys, so this is the power button guys of the gimbal. That's the back. So you can see that's the output. Okay, this is the input guys. This is the zoom slider and the trigger guys of the gimbal. Also, this is the magnetic phone clamp guys for your phone. Also guys, this is the magnetic ring holder. Attach the ring at the back of your phone guys. In the middle guys. So that's the ring. And the next one guys, no more. Okay, so the next one guys is the manuals of the DJI OM4 guys. Also, the manuals include the quick start guide. Okay guys, so that's it. There's a full quick steps guide here at the box guys. So at the last, you need to download the DJI Memo apps guys for this gimbal DJI OM4 guys. Recap guys, so the first one is the grip tripod. The second one is the power cable type C. Third one is magnetic phone clamp. Fourth is the alignment guide. Fifth is the storage pouch. Sixth is the DJI OM4. And 7 is the manual. So that's it guys. That's unboxing my latest DJI OM4. Here guys, so you see earlier was inside the box of DJI OM4. Also, I will put in the description box below the specs of the latest DJI OM4 guys. I hope you enjoy watching my video for today and help you about the latest DJI OM4. And that's the end of our unboxing for today, and I have this part 2 of my review about the product of DJI OM4 guys here. So please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video guys. And please comment down below if you have any question or if you like this video guys. And I see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, take care, be safe,